Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel for accounts. First, let's set up a basic ledger. Create columns for the date, a description of the transaction, and separate columns for debits and credits. You can then use a simple SUM formula to calculate your running balance. This foundational setup helps you track every financial movement, ensuring you have a clear record of where your money is going and coming from, making your accounting tasks much simpler. Next, let's manage your income and expenses efficiently. Consider creating dedicated sheets or sections within your workbook for each. Use conditional formatting to automatically highlight transactions over a certain amount, perhaps $500, or to flag overdue payments. Implementing data validation for categories ensures consistent data entry, which is crucial for accurate reporting later on. This structured approach helps you maintain organized and reliable financial records. Now, let's tackle budgeting and reporting. You can easily develop a budget by setting planned amounts for various categories and then comparing them against your actual spending. Use pivot tables to quickly summarize your data and generate insightful reports, perhaps showing total expenses per category. Visualizing this data with charts, like a pie chart for expense distribution, makes it much easier to understand your financial health and identify trends at a glance. Finally, here are some advanced tips and best practices. Always protect your sensitive financial data by setting a password for your worksheets or entire workbooks. Regularly back up your Excel files to an external drive or cloud service to prevent any data loss. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts, such as Ctrl+S to save, can significantly speed up your data entry and overall workflow, making your accounting process even more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.